Hey everybody, this is a quick video to tell you how to reset your Samsung ice maker. It's a real easy thing to do. All you're going to do is, the first thing you need to do is you need to come in and just remove the ice bucket so that you can have better access to the ice maker. And then you want to find the test button. So that's a rectangular button that's near the front of the ice maker. It might be on the side, it might be underneath on the bottom. Anyway, and it'll either say test on it or there'll be an arrow pointing to the button. And so what you want to do is you just want to press and hold that button. And if you press and hold it for a few seconds, you'll hear a chime that's indicating that the restart is going through. And so as soon as you do that, as soon as you hear that chime, you want to put the ice bucket back in right away, because part of the reset process is that it's going to dump whatever ice it's made, and even if it's not totally frozen yet, it's just going to dump whatever's in there out. So you just want to make sure you put that bucket in right away, let it go through its cycle, and it will be reset. Hope this helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.